All right. In this section, we're going to kind of go into these little regions a little bit more and expand on them. Kind of talk about again, sort of a little bit of brief, some pictures, some sort of main, I guess, elements, features of each region. Gives you a little more familiar there. If there's a particular region that you're interested in, you can explore a little bit more online about it. I mean, each region of Japan's a little unique. I mean, it's all Japanese, but there are definitely unique features. And one of the most unique parts, I think, of Japan is Hokkaido. So this is the northernmost island. It's kind of an island to its own little world up there. Again, a little more. There's not huge cities. The biggest city is Sapporo, but it's not like a huge mega city like Tokyo or Osaka. And there's some other smaller cities around there. Sapporo, I mean, there's a whole beer, like brewing. Brewing is really popular up there, beer brewing, because there's a lot of clean water. They're also known, Hokkaido and Sapporo is for crab. There's a lot of fishing up here. I mean, this is sort of, northern Japan. Not much up there. I mean, north of Hokkaido is sort of some Russian islands, but there's not a lot of population on those. So this is very much a little more remote. A lot of people go to Hokkaido for outdoor activities. A lot of skiing, a lot of hiking. Shiratoko Peninsula National Park is like the tip of there. A lot of bears up there as well. So yeah, it's a little more rural, a little more laid back, a little more quiet. Not a huge bunch of cities. Here's kind of the famous pictures of all the snow they get. They do get a lot of snow in the winter, so you can see this is 2 bus lengths full of snow. Here's a nice picture of the snowy. I think this is Sapporo at night as well. And the other big thing too that's important about Hokkaido. So this is also a lot of the Ainu, and we'll talk about the Ainu a little bit later. There's the indigenous peoples of Japan. Kind of around and beginning another group. We'll explain that as we look at some history of Japan. But predominantly, most of the Ainu population live in Hokkaido today. So there's definitely a large indigenous and Ainu world up there with their own sort of traditions, customs as well. We'll look at those a little bit later. But that's sort of Hokkaido. So sort of a little more rural, very north, has its own sort of culture and customs. But also, a lot of people go up there for vacation, for outdoors, for skiing, hiking, various things as well.